I was in Turnpike Lane, North London for this one to check out a Mauritian spot called Le Chamarel. Since one of my best friends is half Mauritian, I brought her along with me. The interior is no frills, it's clean, it's minimalistic, and it's just the way I like it really. Loads of choices here, but after some deliberation, here's what we went for, starting with the drinks. All from Mauritius, we went with Perona and Esky, vanilla and almond flavours. The Perona tasted like sweet pear cider minus the alcohol and was my favourite. The Esky vanilla is like classic cream soda with hints of citrus, while the almond drink was basically a Bakewell tart in liquid form. Verdict, Mauritian drinks are pretty decent. Moving on to the food, we started with dal puri with sauces. The flatbread made from lentils was super soft with subtle earthy flavours. Inside, the mix of sauces bring together spicy curry notes and tangy chutney. Simple but delicious. Next I tried some more snacks, a chicken samosa and a chicken cutlass. The samosa was crisp and flaky with a savoury aromatic filling, but that green coriander chutney added a nice sweet tangy punch of heat which I really enjoyed. The cutlass, essentially a minced chicken cutlet, was bursting with flavour from the blend of spices they've used. The hot tomato sauce added a bright fiery kick that worked really well. How could I resist ordering the bouillon crab soup, which had a couple of split crabs bobbing about in the broth? It looked pretty impressive, I must say. That broth is tremendous, a concentrated crab flavour with a briny sweetness lifted by fragrant notes of garlic, ginger and spices. There's a bit of heat there too. There's only one way to tackle this crab, and that's by employing these classic barbaric techniques that I'm putting into action here. There was a decent amount of sweet white crab meat here too, so it was well worth the effort. For mains we went with the min free, apologies if I pronounced that wrong, it's a fried noodle dish, and we went with the chicken and egg version. Think of the perfect chicken chow mein, and that's exactly what this is. The noodles have that smoky charred wok hay flavour, and the chicken is tender and juicy. This condiment brings an acidic garlicky punch and adds another layer of flavour. Yeah, these are banging. Now to try a couple of curries, starting with the chicken. The chicken curry was pretty good. The chicken was tender and soft, and the gravy was thick with a gentle heat. The tomato base added a tangy note with a hint of sweetness there too, and a pleasant coriander flavour that I really liked. Yeah, it was a decent curry that. Now for my dish of the day, the octopus curry. It was a first for me, I'd never tried octopus in a curry before. The octopus was melt in your mouth tender and cooked to absolute perfection. The gravy was thick and the flavours reminded me of a balti, but infused with that natural slightly sweet flavour of the octopus. It was so good that I finished it all on my own. Unfortunately my friend doesn't like octopus. Oh, that's a shame. Finally for dessert I had the tart banane, freshly baked and straight out of the oven. The pastry was delicate and the filling was packed with rich caramelised banana flavour. Really tasty. Would have been perfect with a scoop of ice cream. Le Chamarel, it's a double thumbs up from me.